Hello everyone, guys. How are you? I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna start with a very new lesson, that is polynomials. This is totally different that I have ever talked about in my previous videos, right? This is totally a different topic, and congratulations for this that we jumped into a new topic, which is polynomials. This is one of the most important topics you must work with if you want to work with mathematics, especially if you are a student of class 9th or 10th. You should know polynomials, right? How to work with polynomials. But before jumping into the polynomials, you should think of some basic terminologies being used in polynomials, and some of them are written here below. I'm going to start by the explaining of term, right? Here it's written term. What really term is, a term is a number, okay? Term could be a number, could be a variable, could be the product of term and variable, right? Product, P-R-O-D-U-C-T, right? Product of number and variable, right? Variable or variables. Could be a lot more numbers and could be much more variables as well. For example, to share with you example of a term, could be a number 3. Number 3 is a term. Could be variable, for example, x, y. These are variables, right? Could be product of number and variables, like 2x. This is the product of a number and a variable, and this represents a term. 44xyz. This is the product of numbers and variables, which represent in general a term. So I hope you understand what I mean by term. Now, what a coefficient is. Coefficient is a number or something else that is multiplying a variable. Number multiplying a variable is said to be the coefficient of that variable, right? Or the coefficient of that term. For example, 20x. This is our variable, and what is multiplying the variable is going to be the 20. So our 20 is our coefficient. This is our coefficient, right? Like 22xy. 22 is our coefficient, right? 5z. 5 is our coefficient. Half xy. This is 1 over 5 is going to be our coefficient for this term, for the whole term, right? One thing I should remember, the terms are separated by plus and negative signs, right? Plus and minus signs. Okay? For example, 2x squared plus 3x. These are two terms which are separated by plus sign. For example, 9x minus 4. Two terms which are separated by a negative sign. So I hope you understand what I really talk about, and the concept of coefficient is also clear for you. Now, when it comes to the like terms, okay? The like terms are those terms whose variable and the variable power should be the same. Two terms could be the same, sorry, the like terms, if their variable and the power of their variable the same. For example, 3x squared This is our first term, and 4x squared. This is our next term. So if we are asked that whether these two terms are like terms or not, you should think of the variable. Their variable should be the same. So here the variable is x, here the variable is x. Then you should think of their powers, 2 and 2. So these are like terms. Okay? Let me show you the next example. Don't care about the coefficient. The coefficient could be different, okay? 2 over 5 xy squared and 5 over 2 y squared x. Look at here. There is x, there is x. The places are different. Don't worry about it. Here is our y, and power are the same. So these are like terms. Okay? What about this one? 2xy squared and 2x squared y. Look at here, x to the first power, x to the second power, and y to the second power, y to the first power. So this is not the like term. Not like terms. So I hope guys you understand by 3 important phenomena you should think of and you should understand in order to work with polynomials. So if this video is helpful and if you've learned something from this video, forget not subscribing to my channel right now. Press the bell icon until you receive all of our new videos, notifications that I will upload videos on YouTube regularly. You could watch them, improve your mathematics skills dramatically. So I will see you in my next coming video. Take care. Bye-bye.